Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. If you're new to this channel, my name is Luke and this is the Faraway Bushman channel, where we do all kinds of outdoor things. Hunting, fishing, camping, ATVing, off-roading, all kinds of fun things to get outside. And today, as you saw by the title and the thumbnail, I got a new trailer. Alright, I'm going to start up my four-wheeler. One start. Made the custom decal with a Sharpie and stencil. Liked how it turned out. Made this stencil decal as a joke because those gas prices scare me. So jokingly 87 octane only, no 91. This is a fine trailer I just picked up. Very fine, just everything else is structurally great. It's awesome. All of this new bracket in. New piece of the area to hold things in there, the railing. Like I said, just needs some rust converter primer, then rocker guard. We should be good to go. That's for another video. I'm not getting into that right now. On a slant, which is an advantage for me so it doesn't go flying everywhere. Stays in the spot I want it to. Perfect. Like I said before, it's an 8 foot long by 4 foot wide. I can even lay in this thing if I get tired. Alright, decided to load it this way. And I got a bungee cord there too, so she don't fly out around everywhere. It's on there nice and tight. Let's go mow some lawns. This is my mower I got secondhand. Gotta give it to me. Like all my other Hondas. Runs great. Down in the chair, do a drink, sip, and then in about 5 minutes. Whoa. Oh, back to drinking your pop. Pet the dog. What do you say? Time to go inside? I agree. Such a good boy, Ranger. Such a good boy. I'm not a professional dog trainer, but I'm happy with the progression we've had with Ranger. Feeling pretty good about it. He's only just 2 months, so he's been doing really well. Been adjusting to my routine. I had fun making this video. Hope you guys had fun watching it. I got the new trailer. I towed it with my four-wheeler, showed you the towing capabilities, and then showed you that new lawnmower I got secondhand. That's super good. Just like all three of my Honda machines, ticking like a clock. And then gave you a Ranger update. He's doing good as always. So please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notifications, so you never miss another one of my new videos. I'd like to keep it going. We've been posting quite regularly, and I'd like to keep it up and hopefully get some good ideas for some winter content, but don't want to think about winter yet. There's still nice and hot days, just like today. Okay, so subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.